Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga Earth Signs natin dyan, no? Anong mga ganap sa mga Earth Signs natin right now, no? Mga goddesses ko. So, yeah, let's see, no? Tignan natin anong self-care, your inner self message for you. And of course, tignan natin anong sitwasyon meron pagdating sa inyong family, no? Immediate family ninyo, siblings man, no? Right, no? Within the family and of course, from community, friends, no? People around you, no? Something like that, mga goddesses ko. And of course, career and self-care advice for this coming week. And of course, love, relationship, situation, and pinaka-importante is message advice from the universe, no, mga goddesses ko, right? No, so let's see, no, let's start with you, no, agad-agad, no, let's start with you, Taurus. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so let's see, what's the message from your inner self, no? Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Taurus. What's the message, no? Message or advice, of course, ng iyong inner self, no? Mga Taurus natin dyan, right? Let's see. Ano kayang message from your inner self? So, let's see. So, your potential is endless, no? So, for some of you, no, Taurus, no, sinasabi ng iyong inner self here, no, that there is no limit, right? No, kumbaga walang limitation, no, kung ano man tong potential that you have, no, mga Taurus natin. Ikaw lang, for some of you kasi, no, ikaw yung naglilimita sa iyong sarili, right? Sa iyong kakayahan, no? Maybe may mga sitwasyon or bagay or person man na nagbibigay ng blockage or dahilan para maging limitado ang iyong mga kung ano man itong mga gusto mong gawin, gusto mong simulan for some of you, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, so sinasabi ng iyong inner self is don't limit yourself, right? You have so much potential in you, no, Taurus natin, right? No? And ang kailangan mo lang dito is to make it, no, and to execute those ideas you have, no? Something like that, no? Kung ano man to, right? No? Ano man tong mga potential or kasi potential is, di ba, skills yan, na mga sarili, no, being, ano mo, no, yung overall na kakayahan mo, right? Mga Taurus natin, right? No? So, for some of you, nalilimitahan or limited, no, ang iyong paggalaw for some of you. That's why parang hindi mo nagagawa yung mga dapat mong gawin or yung mga gusto mong gawin, right? Or gusto mong simulan, no? For some of you, no, mga Taurus. So, for this, no, sinasabi ng iyong inner self that don't limit yourself, no? You have so much potential in you, right? No, so execute this, no, make it into reality, whatever it is in your inside of your mind, no, mga ideas ninyo, right, mga Taurus natin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito na message from your inner self, right, no. So let's see, no, ano namang sitwasyon within the family ninyo, no, kung ano man yan, right, no, saan man, no, tingnan natin within the family, no, situation, right, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Taurus. Let's see. So you have this surfer and then longing. No, so for some of you, ang nakikita ko dito, no, Taurus, no, maybe nami-miss ninyo, no, or yeah, kasi nga sa family, right, no, nami-miss niyo yung bonding within the family, right, no, siblings mo, parents mo, relatives, no? Something like that. So maybe for some of you, dati, no, mahilig kayong mag-beach, no, together, no, ng iyong relatives with your family, right? No, kumbaga, nami-miss niyo yung mga get together or mga ah pasyal-pasyal, no, something like that, no. Meron sa inyo dito nagre-reminisce, no, for some of you, mga Taurus natin, right, no? You are reminiscing, you are longing for this, no, na sana ay maulit-ulit, no, sana kailan maulit mangyayari, no, parang you are missing this because for some of you, no, parang ang nararamdaman ko din dito, no, parang hindi niyo yun nakikita sa or nakukuha yung ganitong before na experience sa ngayong meron na kayong ibang mga pinagkakaabalahan for some of you, right? No, maybe for some of you talaga ay wala na mga time para magkita-kita pa, no, ng inyong mga immediate family, relatives, no, cousins, no, right? No, kung kanya-kanya na kayong buhay sa ngayon for some of you. That's why parang nami-miss ninyo yung bonding, no? Something like that, no? Yung sabay-sabay kayong nagpupunta sa kung saan, nag-outing kayo, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you, no? So maybe for some of you magkaroon ng ano, ng maybe hindi naman nawawala ang communication, right? No, magkakaibigan pa rin or friends kayo lahat connected kayo sa social media, right? No, so maybe for some of you, no, mga Taurus na longing for your family, relatives, no, magkaroon kayo ng reunion, no, for some of you. May mga upcoming events tayo, di ba, December, so magkaroon kayo ng Christmas party for some of you, right? No, para magkita-kita kayo ulit, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so ayun yung nakikita ko dito, right? No, so let's see what else, no, pagdating naman sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, no, mga Taurus natin, let's see anong mga ganap, no, pagdating sa friends man yan, community man yan, no, or kung sa loob man ng trabaho, tignan natin, no, kung anong sitwasyon ng mga tao sa paligid mo pagdating sa inyo, right? No, so let's see, no, sitwasyon ninyo pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right, mga Taurus. So let's see, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Taurus. Let's see anong sitwasyon pagdating sa people around you, no? Tingnan natin. So you have this 2 of Swords and then King of Pentacles. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko naman dito, mga Taurus, no, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, parang yan, no, ang tingin nila sa iyo, no, parang sabihin natin na parang madamot ka daw for some of you, right, Taurus, no? So parang pinagdadamutan mo daw sila for some of you na doon sa mga tao sa paligid mo, right? No, kumbaga parang before siguro kapag lumalapit sila, no, nagbibigay ka, but right now, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, no, kinat mo, no, with the 2 of Swords here, no, ang nakikita ko kasi rito, no, you are deciding or nag-decide ka na i-cut off muna yung mga tao sa paligid mo, no, for some of you, no, may pagdidesisyon ka dito, parang for some of you gusto mo munang mapag-isa, right, no, at hindi ka muna nakikipag-usap for some of you. That's why kung may mga lumalapit sa iyo, no, hindi mo muna pinapansin, no? So for some of you, ang nakikita ng mga tao sa paligid mo, parang pinagtataguan mo sila, pinagdadamutan mo sila, no? For some of you lang, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito na tingin sa iyo ng mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right? Mga Taurus natin, no? So hayaan mo sila kung ganun ang tingin nila sa iyo, no? Hindi naman nila alam kung anong pinagdadaanan mo rin, no? For some of you, right, no? Kung ano man desisyon mo na mapag-isa ka muna or wag mo na makipag-usap sa kung kanino, no? It's your decision, right? No, so, hayaan mo kung may mga ganyan tao, right? No, so, sila naman yung nangangailangan sa iyo. So, hayaan mo sila, right? No, hindi naman pagdadamot ang hindi pakikipag-communicate sa kanila, right? No, for some of you, no? So, let's see what else, no? Pagdating naman Tingnan mo naman natin, no, pagdating naman sa inyong career, no, something like that, no. So let's see. Pagdating naman sa mga career ng mga Taurus natin, let's see. Kuha din tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Taurus, no, for your career. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Taurus. Pagdating naman sa inyong career, no? So you have this small offer, no? Good news coming, building foundation, career, job, no? So what else? So soon you will reach your soon to travel, reach your goal, no? So for some of you, no, mga Taurus natin, ang ganda naman nito, right, no? There is a small offer lang, no? For some of you, small offer coming, no? Hindi man malaki ito, no? For some of you, right, no? Maybe may financial help, no? For some of you na hindi naman ganun kalaki, or maybe may mga loans kayo na ma-approve for some of you, no? And then for some of you, matatanggap na sa work, right? No? Sa kung ano man itong mga in-applyan ninyo. And for some of you, may new business na mag-o-open, right? No? For some of you, kumbaga, kung ano man ito, no? Small man to, no? For some of you, small offer, like kung sa job, no? Hindi ganun muna kataas ang sahod, no? For some of you, magi-start kayo, no? Maybe for some of you, kasi pag sabing hindi pa naman kayo regular, no? Parang probation pa lang, di ba? Hindi pa yung regular ang sahod, no? For some of you, so magsisimula kayo dito ng medyo maliit lang muna yung sahod ninyo. And then for some of you naman, no? May small offer, maybe investment, no, partnership sa isang business, no, na hindi naman ganun kalaki, no, for some of you. But then ang nakikita ko rito, it's a good news, right, no, kasi 'di ba nga, ano, ang mas maganda ay mag-start tayo sa maliit, right, no? And with this, no, magkakaroon kayo ng solid foundation here, no? From that, no, you are building a foundation, no? From a small um, start, no? Something like that, no? Kung ano man ito, right, no? At magbubunga ito at magiging stable itong career na ito, no? Kung ano man ito, businessman or job related man ito, no, mga Taurus natin. And for some of you, soon to travel. So maybe for some of you, no, ma-apply na ang mga visa, no, for some of you, no, at matutuloy na yung travel, no, for some of you, no, na matagal nyo na ring pinapangarap na makaalis, no, something like that, no. So at matutuloy na ito, no, for some of you, mga Taurus natin, right, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko dyan, no, for some of you. So let's see, no, what's the self-care advice for you this coming week, no, mga Taurus natin, right, no. So kuha tayo ng 1 card here for you, mga Taurus natin. Let's see, self-care advice for Taurus, please, for this coming week. So let's see. So you have this. So yeah, you have this. Be still, no? So sinasabi rito, no? Ang sinasabi rito, right, no? Ang isang scenario na nakikita ko dito, self-care advice for you this coming week, mga Taurus natin, no? Maybe kung halimbawa day off ninyo, no, at medyo hindi pa kayo nabangon, right, no, maybe kasi 'di ba pagod kayo for the whole week, no, so sinasabi be still, no, kung gusto nyo pang mahiga, no, so don't be, I mean, wag muna kayong bumangon, right, no, magpahinga muna kayo, no, so maybe talagang kailangan nyo ng pahinga here, no, something like that, mga Taurus natin. And then for some of you, no, nakikita ko rin dito, right, no, kumbaga, yung ginagawa ninyo, no, with this be still, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, is, tama lang yan, no, kung ano man itong mga ginagawa ninyo na alam nyo nagpapasaya sa sarili ninyo, nakakatanggal ng stress sa sarili ninyo, right, no, be still, kumbaga ay, huwag niyang tigilan, no, parang sabihin natin na, because for some of you, hobby mo na to, na masaya ka, to this, no, at yan, nakakatanggal ang stress ninyo ito, right? No, so but then maybe for some of you, ang ibang tao ayaw nang ginagawa mo yan, right? But then be still, no? Walang masama sa ginagawa mo, and kung ayan nagpapasaya sa iyo, continue mo lang, right? No? Hindi mo kailangang sundin ang opinion ng ibang tao, no? Ang mas mahalaga yung nararamdaman mo at yung kagustuhan mo, right? Mga Taurus natin, right? And that is your self-care for yourself, right? Yung inuuna mo yung gusto ng sarili mo, no? For some of you, but in a good way, right? No? Kasi syempre naman, alam naman natin kung ano yung masama sa mabuti, right? Maybe for some of you, kaya ayaw ng iba dahil baka masama. No? But then ang nakikita ko rito, walang masama naman sa mga gusto nyong gawin or ginagawa ninyo, no? Na alam nyong nagpapasaya sa inyo at nakakatanggal ng stress, no? For some of you, nalilibang ka sa bagay na ito, no? So be still, no? Kumaga, continue mo lang yan, no? Ayan ang gusto mo, nagpapasaya sa iyo, Sen. And then, so, just be it, no? Gawin mo lang, no? At, ay nakakatulong sa iyo, no? Something like that to mga Taurus natin, right? No? So, let's see, ano namang ang sitwasyon, no? Pagdating naman sa love or relationship ninyo, no? Something like that. No? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here, no? Relationships, situation, no? Ano bang meron pagdating naman sa inyong relasyon, no? Partner, no? Kung ano man meron kayo ng person on your mind, no? Tingnan natin. Situation from the person on your mind, mga Taurus natin. So you have this mirror, no? Mirroring each other, self-reflection, introspection, inner wounds, and then not today, no? Boundaries and hurt, no? Avoiding conversation, not dealing, still upset. No? So for some of you, ang nakikita ko rito, there is a no contact situation. For some of you, Taurus, no? Maybe ang nakikita ko dito ng mga Taurus natin ay yan, no? Kumbaga parang someone, no, one of you are hurting, no, as of now, no, for some of you. Or maybe, yeah, no, for some of you talagang wala lang pag-uusap because may kanya-kanya kayong mga pinagdadaanan for some of you, right? No, kaya walang pag-uusap na nangyayari, no? Ang nakikita ko rito. And then for some of you, parang naghihintayan kasi kayo kung sino mauuna, no? So you are mirroring each other, no? Something like that ng mga Taurus natin, no? Kung sino unang magre-reach out, right? No? Kung di mo siya kukontakin, ganun yung ginagawa ng isa. So you are mirroring each other, right? No? So kung ano man yung desisyon ninyo, no, kung ikaw man Taurus, no, ang desisyon mo ay gusto mo na mapag-isa for some of you, dahil may mga pinagdadaanan ka rin from your own life right now, no, so continue. Gawin mo lang, no, kumbaga, mas makakabuti sa iyo yung mapag-isa ka muna for some of you, no. Maybe you are, struggling, no, for some of you, no, with the obstacles that you are in right now, no, in your life, no, for some of you dealing with some problems, no, regarding personal matters, no, something like that, no. So gusto niyo munang mapag-isa, right, no. So but then kung kailangan niyo ng tulong, huwag kayong mahiyang humingi ng tulong sa mga taong alam niyo makakatulong sa inyo, right, mga Taurus natin, right? Mahirap din magkaroon ng depression, no? For some of you, no? So, let's see ano pang meron, no? Pagdating sa taong naiisip ninyo, no? Let's see ano pang sitwasyon pagdating sa tao na naiisip ninyo, mga Taurus natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Taurus. Person on your mind. Let's see ano pang sitwasyon ninyo. So you have this, tomorrow is another day, and then take care of yourself, no? So for some of you talaga, no, you need to take care of yourself, no, right now, no? So wag mong isipin, no, kumbaga nag-fail ka man today, no, there is still a tomorrow, and wag mong i-pressure yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na hindi mo pa na-achieve, right, no? Sabi ko nga mahirap kalabanin ang depression, no, anxiety, no, something like that, no. Wag mong masyadong seryosohin muna, no, kung ano man 'tong mga ninanais mong makamit na hindi mo pa nakukuha, right? No, for some of you Taurus, because you have to take care of yourself first, right? No, maybe for some of you, kailangan mo munang mag-heal from the past, kung ano man itong mga past traumas mo na meron ka, Taurus. That's why lumabas ito, right? No, hindi pa kailangan gawin yung mga dapat na gawin mo, no? Until you are healed, no? Something like that, no? Kailangan mo munang unahin dito ang sarili mo, no? For some of you, that's why ang nakikita ko nga dito, no? Kung sino man yung nagpapasakit sa inyo, ay wag mo munang isipin, right? No? Ano sino man tong tao na ito, right? No? There is a right time for that person para mag-communicate, no? So maybe talagang walang communication. So maybe for some of you, you have to take care of yourself first, no? Before communicating, or you have to heal first, no? Para magkaroon ng communication, no? Kasi baka mag-clash lang kayo, conflict again, no? At kailangan maayos ka na rin, no, for some of you. That's why walang communication na nangyayari for some of you, right? No, parang wag mong madaliin, no? Maybe for some of you, you are still really in a process of healing from the past, no? Something like that, no? And there is a new person na maybe nagkakagustuhan kayo, but then right now, no communication at all, no? Because nagkaroon ng pause, no? Parang nag-stop kung ano man yung meron, no? So maybe kailangan mangyari dahil maybe one of you or both of you are still dealing with the past, no, na dapat ay mag-heal na, no? Something like that, no? So kailangan mong i-prioritize is yourself, no? Sabi nga nung dito ang card mo is self-reflection, right? No? So unahin mo muna ang sarili mo, no? To heal, to 'di ba, na ma-cope up mo or ma-solve, or sabihin natin yun nga, no, para ma-fully healed ka na rin, no, kung ano man itong pinagdadaanan ninyo, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so let's see what's the message advice, no, for you, universe, right? No, so let's see, tignan pa natin message advice for you ni universe. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Taurus. So let's see. So time to move on, no? So sinasabi talaga, right? No, so tama talaga na ano man tong mga past traumas mo, past kung ano man tong regarding, no? Kasi tapos na yun, natapos na yun, no? Kung baga may sakit may sakit kang naramdaman from that, ano man yan, right? But hindi kailangan ilubog mo yung sarili mo from that situation, right? No, time to move on, no? Pagod na pagod ka na kaiisip, no? Sabi ko nga, mahirap kalabanin ang depression, right? No, for some of you, no, kumaga sunog na yung paligid mo, still nandyan ka pa rin, no? Kailangan mo nang umalis, no? Dahil baka ikaw naman ang matupok dito, right? No, at ma-stuck ka nang talaga sa sitwasyon na yan, right? No, ikaw lang din ang makakagawa ng paraan para makaalis ka sa kung anong sitwasyon meron ka right now, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so sinasabi dito ni universe for you is to move on, no, and you know what to do, no, something like that. Alam mo anong dapat mong gawin, no, sa sitwasyon na alam mong dapat mo nang alisan, no, something like that, no, mga Taurus natin, right? No, so that's it, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko, no, for some of you mga Taurus. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Taurus natin. And yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Taurus. So yeah, no, let's continue with you, Virgo. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Virgo natin? No? So, let's see what's your inner self message for you, no, mga Virgo natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Virgo. Message from your inner self for Virgo, please. Let's see. So, you have this I am in alignment with my soul soul purpose, no? So for some of you, no, nagkaroon na ng clarity, no? So kung ano yung talagang gusto mo sa buhay mo. For some of you, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Ang sinasabi ng iyong inner self, right? No, alam mo na kung ano yung purpose in life ninyo, right? Mga Virgo natin. So, alam mo na rin kung ano yung dapat mong gawin because you are in alignment na, no? So, sinasabi ng inner self mo na gawin mo na yung dapat gawin with this, no? Kung ano man tong purpose in life na nagkaroon ka na ng clarity with this, no? Mga Virgo natin, right? No? So, binibigyan ka na dito ng iyong inner self, right? Na simulan or ituloy-tuloy mo na ito, right? Because alam mo na, no? There is nothing to worry because you are in alignment, no? Wala kang dapat ipag-alala, no? Because of this, you are being guided also ni universe, ng iyong guides, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun din ang sinasabi sa iyo ng iyong inner self, right? No, mga Virgo natin. So, let's see, no? Tingnan naman natin, no? Anong sitwasyon pagdating naman sa inyong family, no? Tingnan naman natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Virgo. Sitwasyon pagdating sa inyong family, no? Tingnan natin. Anong meron? So, you have this earth magic and then sun and star, no? So, ang nakikita ko dito ng mga Virgo natin, right, no? With this earth magic and sun and stars here, no? For some of you, literally, no? Maybe for some of you, within the family, may mga alam kayo, something spirituality. For some of you are connected, no? With that, no? Or mahilig talaga kayo kasi may moon, no? Ang nakikita ko rin dito for some of you, full of secrets, no, within the family. Maraming mga tinatago, no, kanya-kanya kayong mga sikreto, no, for some of you, right, no, kung makikita mo dito, no. So, yeah, no, but then with the sun here, right, no, there is still a clarity, no, behind that, no. Ano man tong mga pinoproblema or mga sitwasyon na walang kaliwanagan, no, for some of you, no. So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no. Still, no, magkakaroon pa rin ng kaliwanagan, magkakaroon ng clarity with this, no. Ano man tong isyong kinakaharap ng family ninyo, right, no. Naitatago, no, for some of you may tinatago, no, sa family, no. Kung ano man itong nagbibigay ng problema or alalahanin, no, for some of you, right? No, kahit ano kasing tago ninyo with this, no, kahit anong tago, no, lalabas at lalabas pa rin yan, right? No, kung nakikita mo kasi, kahit na with the moon here, no, ano mang gawing pagtatago, still there is a sun, no? Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan, ano man tong issue na to, no? Right? Malalaman at malalaman anong dahilan or anong sinimulan or ano itong tinatago na ito, no? For some of you, right? No? Sa inyong family, within the family, right? No? Kung may siblings man, parents mo man, no? Relatives man na may mga tinatago, no? Malalaman at malalaman din yan, no? Kahit anong tago pa yan, no? Matagal man itong nakatago, for some of you, no? Still, marireveal pa din yan, no? For some of you, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Mga Taurus, I mean Virgo natin, right? No? So, let's see, no? Ano namang sitwasyon pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, right? No? Tignan naman natin anong sitwasyon pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, no? Friends man yan, no? Whoever, people, no? Anong tingin nila sa inyo, no? Mga Virgo natin, no? Mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you. So you have this back to basics and then go get some fresh air. No? So for some of you, no, mas nakikita ko rito parang ikaw to, no, na parang kailangan mong umalis 'no, sa mga tao na alam mong hindi na, deserving for you 'no, mga Virgo natin. So, you will be back to basics 'no, you will start all over, right 'no, for some of you, right 'no. Maybe for some of you 'no, ang may mga, tao sa paligid mo na hindi talaga naging maayos or naging maganda ang sitwasyon ninyo, right 'no, situationship between you and the person or people around you, right? No? So, kailangan mo munang dumistansya from this or from them, no? Something like that, no? Sa mga tao na yan at mag-start all over ka, right? No? Back to basics, no? Kumbaga, mawala man sila, no? Still, meron pa rin namang darating na mga bagong makikilala ka na alam mong mas maganda yung magiging purpose mo sa buhay ninyo, right? No, na for some of you, you are going no sa inyong purpose in life, right? No, your soul purpose. No, so kumbaga para mas malalim na connection ang hinahanap ninyo, hindi yung parang happy-go-lucky lang, no? For some of you, parang you are cutting those people na alam mong wala naman katuturan yung makukuha mo or you will not benefit. Instead, they are the ones who benefits no from you no and you are cutting off those people no something like that to mga Virgo natin, right? No, so and ano no and from this you are taking risk no syempre mahirap man no i-cut off no ang mga medyo matagal mo na ring nakasama or kilala no na ngayon iiwasan mo na because you want something new no with this some fresh air, right? No, ang nakikita ko rito is you want something new no even though na alam mong magsisimula ka ulit no for some of you getting to know each other no magsisimula ka ulit magkilala ng ibang mga tao, right? No, you are seeking people na or for some of you no, there are new people around you na no, na meron potential na alam mo makakatulong no within your purpose in life no something like that no mga Virgo natin no? So it's okay no mag-start all over ka with a new people around you, no? Something like that, no? Mga Virgo natin, no? So, let's see, no? What is the situation naman pagdating sa inyong career, no? Mga Virgo natin, no? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Virgo, no? Sitwasyon pagdating naman sa inyong career, no? Finances, business man yan, job man yan, right? No? So, let's see. Anong sitwasyon? Let's see. Pagdating sa inyong career. So, you have this confused, no? Undecisive, no? Headache, seeking answer, and then change your path career no so for some of you no parang you are confusing you are being confused here no for some of you right na may mga choices or pinagpipilian kayo no and no for some of you no parang hindi mo alam anong pipiliin mo right anong path o anong career no may pag-change right no may pagpapalit no o for some of you change of business, no? Literally, change of job, no? For some of you, right? Na alam mo kasi, no, for some of you nga, you are going, again, no, parang, di ba sabi nga, you want something new, no? That's why, no, huwag ka nang ma-confuse, no, with this. Because you want something new, no? That's why, you are seeking, new path, no? Something like that, new career, no? So, kailangan mo to ng fresh air, fresh environment, no? For some of you, right? No? Para, rin kasi sa, maybe, yung mga past career mo is medyo toxic, no? Ang environment. So, maybe talaga you need something new, no? To start, no? Mga Virgo natin, right? Na alam mo mas makakabuti for you, no? At mas makakatulong sa iyong growth. No? So, wag ka nang ma-confuse with this. No? Ang kailangan mo lang dito, magdesisyon. No? Something like that. No? Wag nang masakit ang ulo mo rito because alam mo naman dapat yung gawin, no? Something like that ng mga Virgo natin, right? No? So let's see, no? Ano naman pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo ng taong nasa isip ninyo, mga Virgo natin, right? No? So kuha tayo ng two cards here for you, no? Virgo, no? Person on your mind, mga Virgo natin. Let's see sitwasyon, no, ng taong nasa isip ninyo. Let's see for Virgo. Ang hirap kumuha, no? Ang dulas. So, kuha tayo ng two cards here for you, Virgo. So, you have this kiss you and then same-sex, no? Same-sex relationship. So, for some of you, no, you are dealing with a same-sex relationship, right? No? No gender tayo rito, babae, lalaki, no? Whatever, no? Ang gender ninyo, right? No? So, this person, no? Whoever it is on your mind, mga Virgo natin is missing you, no? Wants to kiss you, right? No? So, maganda naman, no? So, even though you are in a same-sex relationship, no? It doesn't matter because you really love each other, no? For some of you, no, may kiss you rito, right? No, maybe you are missing someone or someone is missing to kiss you, no? Something like that, no? But then, ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, hindi rin naman sabing literal na same-sex relationship, no? For some of you, ang nakikita ko rito is, pwede ring sabihin natin with the same-sex relationship, sabihin natin, parehas kayo ng pag-uugali, no? Pwede ring gano'n, no? Kung halimbawa you are the feminine dito, no, Virgo, yung person na nasa isip mo, person on your mind is also embodying a feminine energy. That's why parang same sex kayo, kumbaga parang yeah, 'di ba may mga ganun no, lalaki na parang mas babae pa sa iyo, right? No, so maybe ganun din, no, for someone. But then this person is, I think, is missing you, wants to kiss you, no, for some of you, right? Or vice versa, or both of you, right? No, mga Virgo natin. So let's see, no, what else, no? Ano pang sitwasyon pagdating sa inyo ng person on your mind, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No, so let's see. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng two cards here for you, Virgo. Person on your mind. So you have this 10 of Cups and then 3 of Cups. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, may reconciliation or may event, no, something like that, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, may celebration with the 3 of Cups. Maybe for some of you, may wedding na mangyayari, no, with this, no, parang nagle-level up na, no, leveling up, no, for some of you with the 10 of Cups, no, parang full wish fulfillment to, no, or yeah, no, going towards a family na, no, nag-decide na kayo ng person mo for some of you, no, and magpapakasal na, right, no, for some of you, ito na yung naiisip ng inyong maybe nagpaplano kayo ng kasal or nag-aayos na kayo ng wedding, no, for some of you, right, no, at magiging maganda yung outcome ng wedding na ito, right, no, kung some of you ay nagwo-worry sa event na to, no, nakikita ko rito, maganda yun magiging outcome ng wedding ninyo, right? No, magiging maayos naman, no, for some of you. There is no backing out na here, no, because you really do love each other naman, no. So, ayun ang nakikita ko dito, right? Mga Virgo natin, no. So, there's nothing to worry with this, no, mga Virgo natin, no. So, let's see naman, no, what's the self-care advice for you this coming week, no, mga Virgo natin. Self-care advice for Virgo, please. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Virgo. Tignan natin. So, you have this, no, clean your space. No? So, for some of you, literally, no, in your spare time, no, kailangan mo raw maglinis-linis ng iyong space or literally, no, pwede rin sabihin natin, tanggalin mo na yung mga toxic, no, negativities around you, no, ano man tong mga kailangan mong alisin para maging maliwanag na rin ang iyong aura, ang iyong paligid, no, literally, for some of you, may mga sulok-sulok kayo dyan sa house ninyo, kailangan ng paglilinis, mga bintana ninyo, pintuan, no, something like that, no, literally, cleaning your surroundings, no, for some of you, and also your heart, no? Clearing your heart space, right? No? From the negativity rin, no? For some of you, no? Ito yung self-care advice for you this week to clear your space, no? Para magkaroon ng positivity, no? To attract positivity rin, right? No? Kasi clearing your space, cleaning your surroundings, removes negativity, no? Something like that, right? No, mga Virgo natin. So, let's see what's the message, advice for you ni universe, right? Mga Virgo natin. So, kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Virgo. Let's see. So you have this, every step counts, no? So for some of you, Virgo, right, no? Huwag kang magmamadali, no? There is a process, no? There is, sabihin natin, step by step, right? Every step, right, no? Step by step, but then ang nakikita mo, no? Naka-open na yung door, right, no? Aakyat ka na lang, no? Ng hagdanan. Naka-open na yan, no? Nothing's to worry, right? No? Hindi na magsasara yan because it is widely open for you, no? At tong mga opportunities, blessings from the universe, right? No? So you have to, what? Just take it slow, no? Step by step, no? Every step kasi dito is may magiging ka pa na more wisdom, more knowledge about what you are pursuing, no? Something like that, mga Virgo, na makakatulong, no? Towards your dreams in life, your purpose in life, no? Something like that, no, mga Virgo. So, wag magmamadali, no? Be patient every step, right, no? Damhin mo yung, kumbaga, i-feel mo every step, right, no, ng iyong journey, no? Ano man itong sinisimulan ninyo or ginagawa nyo right now, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No, wag maiinit. There is still magandang outcome with this, no, mga Virgo natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Virgo. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, Virgo, na maganda talaga, no, super, no? There is reaching your goals here, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Virgo. God bless you all, and thank you for watching, Virgo. So, yeah, no, let's proceed to you, Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Capricorn natin, right? No? So, let's see what's the message from your inner self, no? Mga Capricorn. So, kuha tayo ng one card here for Capricorn, please. Your message from your inner self, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? Tingnan natin. So you have this, I am blessed with an incredible family and wonderful friends. No? So yeah, for some of you, ganda naman, right? No? So sinasabi ng inner self mo, maybe for some of you, nag-overthink kayo, no, na parang iniisip mo, kaisa mo ba tong family mo? Kaisa mo ba tong friends mo, right? Maybe for some of you, nagkakaroon kasi kayo ng doubt, no? Or worries, no? For some of you na susuportahan ka ba? Maybe meron kayong mga gustong sabihin or gustong i-open, but then nag-aalangan kayo, you're in a doubt, no? For some of you, kasi isip mo baka hindi ka nila suportahan. But then, no, with this, no, you are being blessed with a wonderful family and friends, no, around you, no. So kung ano man itong worries mo, there is nothing to worry, right, no, because they are they're ready to support you, no, all in, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, Capricorn, right, no. Ang kasi pakiramdam mo nag-iisa ka, but then you are wrong, no. There is still, no, friends who are loyal to you, family, relatives who are always there for you, no? Kailangan mo lang dito, no? Sinasabi ng iyong inner self is to reach out for them, no? Huwag mong sarilinin, no? Kung ano man tong pinagdadaanan mo, ano man tong sitwasyon mo right now, no? You have to tell them, no? And hingin mo yung opinion nila regarding sa bagay na yan, no? Something like that, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? You are not alone, no? You are being surrounded with a wonderful family and friends of yours, right? Mga Capricorn natin, no? So, maganda, right? No? So, let's see, no? Ano naman pag sitwasyon naman for some of you pagdating sa family niyo. Let's see, no? Anong sitwasyon pagdating sa family. Tingnan nga natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Capricorn. Let's see. Pagdating sa family ng mga Capricorn natin, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, please. For Capricorn. So, you have this Princess of the Borderland and then Unity, no? So, for some of you, no, mga Capricorn natin, no, ang nakikita ko rito, right, no, kumbaga, yun nga no, kumbaga, nilalagyan mo ng border, no, kumbaga, hinaharangan mo kasi, no, kailangan mo ng pagkakaisa within the family here, no, wag mong i-distansya, no, ang sarili mo, no, for some of you, kung nakikita mo rito, no, maybe, di ba, nakikita mo, yes, maganda, no? Akala mo, yes, masaya ka rin nag-iisa for some of you, no? You are restricting, no? Your boundaries from other people, from your family, no? No, for some of you Capricorn. But you don't have to, no? Because yung fear mo na baka hindi ka nila maintindihan is magkakamali ka, right? No? Na maiintindihan ka nila, no? With this unity, no? Magkakaroon ng pagkakaisa at tutugon sila sa iyong kagustuhan. Ano man itong gusto mong gawin or ginagawa mo or sisimulan mo, no? For some of you, no, mga Capricorn, makakakuha ka ng support within your family, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko dito, magkakaroon ng unity, pagkakaisa, no? Something like that, no? 'Di ba? Kailangan mo lang dito magtiwala sa sarili mo na susuportahan ka nila, no? Whatever it is, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? So, let's see. Pagdating naman sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, mga Capricorn natin, let's see anong sitwasyon pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, no? Tignan naman natin. Anong meron, no? Pagdating, ano bang ganap, no? Pagdating nila sa inyo, sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo. Let's see. For Capricorn, please. Sitwasyon ng people around you, mga Capricorn natin. Let's see, no? Nahuhulog yung mga cards ninyo, right? So, yeah. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Capricorn. So, you have this 2 of Cups and then the Two of Cups in reverse and then the High Priestess in reverse, no? So, yeah, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito ng mga Capricorn talaga, no, ikaw ito, right, no, ang nakikita ko talaga is may fear ka to show who you truly are, right? Now, from your family, I mean from your friends, no, people around you, right, no, sa mga close mo na mga friends, no, parang itinatago mo kung sino ka no? Something like that, no? You are being secretive, being mysterious from them, no? Hindi mo sinasabi yung mga you are being you are hiding, no? I mean, you are hiding, you are hiding something, no? Within yourself na kung ano man tong nasa sayo, right, no? Tinatago mo, right, no? Sa iyong mga kaibigan, mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Ayaw mong ma-involve sila dito, no? For some of you, right? Or ang nakikita ko din dito for some of you, no? Ang mga tao sa paligid mo, no? Pinag-uusapan ka nila, right? Nami-misteryosohan sila sa inyo. Parang you are being weird, no? For some of them, no? Tingin nila sa iyo being you are weird, no? Something mysterious around you na is happening, no? For some of you, no? Pinag-uusapan ka nila, no? Behind your back, no? So, don't just, wag mo na lang silang isipin or intindihin, no? Basta alam mong hindi mo sila ginagambala, right? No, kung ano man tong ginagawa mo sa ngayon, mga Capricorn, no? It's up to you, no? It's your choice, it's your decision to be secret, no? Whatever it is, no? Karapatan mo yan. And wala silang pakialam dun, no? Something like that, no? Mag-chismis man sila, pag-usapan kalman nila, no? So what, right? No? As long as hindi mo sila inaagrabyado, right? No? So, mas maganda nga yun eh, nagiging misteryoso kayo eh, no? At hindi open, no? Sa lahat-lahat ng nangyayari, right? No? Nagkakaroon kayo ng privacy, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see now what's the tingnan naman natin career, no? Situation for you, mga Capricorn natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Capricorn, no? Career situation for Capricorn, please, no? Let's see anong meron sa career ninyo, mga Capricorn natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Capricorn. So, you have this, parang katulad din kanina kay Virgo yata yun, right? No? Ito din yung nakuha. So, confused, undecisive, headache, no? Seeking answer, and then, so, you have this, no? Lover, enemy, friend, help. No? So, for some of you, no? You are being confused, right? No? Hindi mo alam, right? No? Kung sino ba yung totoo sa iyo na, kung sino ba yung for some of you, naka-apekto to sa career niyo, kung ano man ito, right, no? Hindi mo alam kung sino ba yung pagkakatiwalaan mo, no? Kung regarding sa career, no? Something na may kinalaman sa kaperahan, no? Kung sino man ito, right? No? Maybe for some of you, no? Niloko ka ng iyong person, right? Regarding sa pera. And then there is a friend of yours na who wants or willing to help you, no? For some of you, Capricorn, right? No? So, don't be confused with this, right? No? Ang totoong nagkakaroon ng problema or nag-cause ng problem mo financially is your person, no? Siya talaga yung nagkaroon ng dahilan. Maybe, meron siyang ginawang kalokohan, no? Or, literally, ninakawan ka ng pera. Or kung ka-business partner mo ito, right? No, merong mga tinago, something, no, sikreto na may kinalaman sa pera, hindi naging totoo, no? That's why nagkaroon ng confusion here, no? Maybe nalugi, no? For some of you, that's why itong friend na ito, no? Whoever it is willing to help you, no? You just have to reach out for this friend, no? At alam ko na alam mong kung sino yung mga kaibigan mo na mapagkakatiwalaan mo with this. At willing silang tulungan ka or willing itong friend mo na ito na tulungan ka with your problem, no? Kailangan mo lang mag-open up, no? For some of you, right, no? At magkaroon din ng kaliwanagan or magbigyan ka ng advice to what to do, no? Sa iyong sitwasyon, no? No, dun sa mga trusted friend mo, of course, no, mga Capricorn natin, right? No, so let's see what's the self-care advice for you this coming week, no, mga Capricorn natin. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Capricorn. Self-care advice this coming week. Let's see. So you have this rest. No, so for some of you, no, you need really to take some rest, right? No, with this rainbow here, kung makikita mo, para magkaroon ka ng ma-energize ka, mabalik yung makulay na character mo, yung masayahin mo. Maybe for some of you, nagiging mainitin ulo mo because of stress yan eh. Because of tiredness, no? Something like that. Sobrang pagod na kayo the whole day, the whole week from work, kung ano man ang pinagkakaabalahan ninyo, Capricorn, no? So, sinasabi rito na you have to rest, no? Rest, no? Kailangan talaga, no? Of course, no? Kailangan talaga natin ng pahinga. Hindi palaging papagurin nyo because health naman ninyo ang mako-compromise with this. Kung masyado nyong pababayaan or masyado kayong magtatrabaho na magtatrabaho, no? Ang health nyo naman ang nako-compromise with this, no? Mga Capricorn natin. So, kailangan nyo ng pahinga at alagaan, of course, ang inyong sarili, right? Mga Capricorn natin. So, that is your self-care advice from this coming week, no? For this coming week, no? Mga Capricorn natin, no? Kailangan mong mag-rest, of course, no? Kung kailangan mong matulog ng mahabang-mahaba, no? Matulog ka because you need that, no? To energize, no? To regain your energy, no? Something like that, no? Mga Capricorn natin, no? So, let's see, no? What's the situation naman pagdating sa taong nasa isip ninyo, mga Capricorn natin. Let's see, no? Anong sitwasyon pagdating sa mga tao sa paligid ninyo, taong nasa isip ninyo, no? Relationship man yan, no? Someone na close to you, no? Love situation, no? Relationship, whatever, right? No? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here, no? Person on your mind, no? Mga Capricorn natin. Let's see. So, you have this, stop repeating the same thing again, and then do what you love, no? So, for some of you, right, no? Meron kayong mga cycle, no? Kung makikita mo, cycle yan na paulit-ulit, right? Na, kumbaga, sabihin natin na alam mong hindi na maganda but then hinahayaan mong magpaulit-ulit yung sitwasyon na ito, no? Sa inyo ng person on your mind, right? Now, there is a repeating pattern, repeating cycle, right? Na hindi matatapos yan, right, no? Unless you will do what you love, no? Something like that, no? Maybe for some of you, Capricorn, no? Because that's why, no, nandito ka sa isang cycle na paulit-ulit because you are considering, no, the person, no? Hindi mo iniisip yung sarili mo, right, no? Ikaw naman yung nako-compromise here, no? Dapat kasi dito, balance kayo, no? Parehas yung gusto, yung kung ano man yung nangyayari sa relationship. For some of you, maybe ay limitado lang yung mga galaw mo, right? Na may mga gusto kang i-pursue na hindi mo magawa because you are not being prioritizing yourself here, no? Or you instead of being supportive, no, to each other, ikaw lang yung nagsusupport. And then this person na you are in a cycle which is repeating cycle is siya lang yung nakaka-benefit, no? At ikaw hindi, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka niya sinusuportahan sa mga gusto mo, no? Ikaw lang yung nagsusupport, no? Sa mga gusto na yung mangyari sa buhay niya, right? No? So, kailangan dito balance, no? Kung alam mo yung dapat mong gawin dito, Capricorn, is magkaroon ka rin ng, kung hindi niya magawang suportahan ka with this, no? Ikaw na mismo ang magsuporta sa sarili mo, no? Hindi mo makukuha yung support na kailangan mo sa person na ito. Alam mo yun sa sarili mo. Right? No? That's why nagpapaulit-ulit yung pattern because you are tolerating this person. No? Maybe for some of you, this person is controlling you, no? Manipulating you, no? Something like that, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? So, this has to stop, no? This repeating cycle, no? Something like that, no? Para ma-pursue mo naman yung sariling goals in life mo, no? The one that you are love, the one things or whatever it is na alam mong magpapasaya din sa'yo, no? Something like that, no, mga Capricorn natin. So what else, no? Kuha pa tayo ng sitwasyon, no, sa person on your mind, no, mga Capricorn natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here pa for you, Capricorn. Let's see. Person on your mind, no, mga Capricorn natin. So you have this shock, no, sudden change, shocking news, no, surprise and epiphany, transformation, and then clock, needing time, cycles, and takes time to heal, progressing. No, so for some of you talaga, no, you are in with this clock, no, kumbaga may cycle talaga, no, kailangan, kumbaga, wag mo nang ulitin pa, no, kumbaga matatapos na yung cycle, no, wag mo na ulit itaob pa, no, para ulitin, right, no, hayaan mo nang matapos yan, right, no, it's time para for you to progress your life and for you to heal na rin, no, for some of you, no, mga Capricorn natin, right? Now with this, no, kasi you have to transform, no? You need this transformation for yourself, right? No, hindi ka magkakaroon ng transformation, changes in your life, no, na gusto mong mangyari if you are still stuck in a cycle, in a repeating cycle, right? Na alam mo kailangan ng alisan, right? No? And for you to heal na rin, no? For some of you Capricorn, right? No? Kailangan mo ng gawan ng action itong mga sitwasyon na ito sa inyo ng person mo, right? No? Hindi na nagiging maganda, no, for some of you, right? No? Ang inyong sitwasyon, right? No? Meron ng mga hindi magagandang bagay na paulit-ulit na lang na nangyayari sa inyo na wala ng pagbabago, no? At yan, no? Parang hindi na kayo matapos-tapos, no? Kailangan may isa sa inyong mag-step up or mag-step out na in this connection, no? Para magkaroon ng pagbabago, no? Ah, sa iyo or sa kanya. Something like that, no? Kailangan dito may changes for you to have this transformation na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? Kailangan may pagbabago ng mangyari, no? And it's time for you to heal na rin, no? Again, mga Capricorn natin, right? No? So let's see what's the message advice for you ni Universe, no? Mga Capricorn natin, right? No? Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, message advice from the Universe for Capricorn, please. Let's see. So, you have this, no, no strings attached, right? No, so sinasabi dito sa ni Universe, no, na wala ka ng string, no, kinat na ni Universe, right? No, so bakit ka pa nakaganyan, no? You are still attaching yourself to that person or situation na alam mo kailangan mo ng alisan, no? Something like that ng mga Capricorn natin, right? No, malaya ka na, no, sa sitwasyon na to, no, sinasabi ni Universe. And kailangan mo na lang dito is kumilos na, right? No, umalis na, pakawalan mo na yung sarili mo, no? For some of you, right? No, ikaw na lang yung hinihintay gumalaw dito ni Universe, no? Alam mo din yun sa sarili mo, right? No, at from that, no, once nag-decide ka na, everything will change na for the better, no? Something like that, no? You have to trust yourself lang, of course, no, with this. And of course, with the universe na talagang ginagabayan ka rin, right? Na towards your progress, towards your uh, transformation or transition that is meant to be yours, no? Something like that, no, mga Capricorn natin, right? No, so kailangan talagang magkaroon na ng decision here, no? Maggawa na ng action, no, sa bagay or sitwasyon na ito, no? At alam mo yung dapat mong gawin dito, no? I-attach or detach yourself, no, in this situation, no? Something like that, no, mga Capricorn natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Capricorn, no? So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today. And yeah, maraming salamat sa inyo overall, no, mga earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn for always tuning in sa ating mga readings for you, right? And again, no, have faith in yourself, no? Believe in nothing is impossible with God, no? Just have faith. And of course, maniwala din kayo sa sarili niyo na kaya niyo malagpasan lahat-lahat ng pagsubok, right? No? And just be yourself, right? No? Mga earth signs natin. So, yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching Earth Signs.